Hello, my dear students. How are you all doing? Hi, guys. Welcome to the super duper amazing, interesting channel Vedantu Young Wonders, where we are going to start with part number 4 for the Pariksha Series Grade 7. आज मैं आपके लिए अमेजिंग से इंटरेस्टिंग से टॉपिक्स लेके आई हूँ जहाँ पे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे गारंटीड 2 marks and 5 marks questions along with a MCQs quiz, yours favorite Menti quiz. Hi Arsh, hi Pradeep, hi Geeta. Hello, my dears. Welcome. Hi, Yash. Hi, Apurva. Great, my dears. So now, before we move ahead, this is our plan for the day where I'm going to give you a quick introduction of myself, followed by a weekly schedule homework का solution जो मैंने आपको last class में होमवर्क दिया था, होमवर्क विनर्स की लिस्ट, उनको एक बड़ा सा शाउट आउट, an amazing few fun facts about Ukraine. Then we also have 2 marks questions for you all to be discussed. 5 marks questions, मेंटी क्विज होगी, एक होमवर्क मिलेगा फिर से, वाईटी लवर्स का शाउट आउट मिलेगा एंड समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. So can I all quickly know in the chat box that how many of you are girls in the class today? Can I know in the chat box? All those who are there, who are the girls in the class today, can you say a quick yo in the chat box? Yeah. Amazing. So now, my dear students, if you have a look over here, this is a quick introduction of myself. So I have done my B.Ed, my B.Com, my C.TET right now, and also I am pursuing with Masters in Economics. I love the way when you all say, "Ma'am, you have taken away the mathophobia," right? So all the yo girls out there, I have something interesting for you all today in the class. And if you talk about Priya Ma'am's passions, I love making handmade crafts, solve Sudoku puzzles out there, and also I love the way when you all are feeling more and more comfortable with the subject mathematics, right? So if you want to know more about Priya Ma'am, follow me on Priya_Vedantu, where you will get to know much more about me, right? So moving ahead, guys, let me show you the weekly schedule for this particular week. Right, so this is your schedule. I hope you haven't missed out any of the session. So 7th March को I have taken an amazing interesting session for you all, that is from D grades to A grades, that is how to improve your grades बच्चा. So कुछ amazing सी tips मैंने आपको बताई थी. In case अगर आपने session join नहीं किया तो अभी भी आप जाके उसका replay देख सकते हैं. Now it's time for everybody to quickly mark attendance in the class by giving a big fat thumbs up to the session, share it with your friends and also subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe करने से क्या होगा, आप बन जाएंगे हमारी बड़ी सी फैमिली वेदांतु यंग वंडर्स फैमिली के एक प्यारे से मेंबर. So click on to the right bottom by hitting the bell icon so that you get all the bell notifications as in when your favorite teachers come live. Okay, so moving ahead, guys, this is our Telegram channel. आप लोग हमें यहाँ पे भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. I think you should always join because here you get all the schedules and everything. सारे official updates आपको मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे on t.me/Vedantu Junior. Right? Got it? And now let's move ahead, guys. So how many of you are really super duper excited to take the first flight for Vedantu's classes for the year 2022 and 2023, right? Do you know that there is an amazing offer going on for all of you at Vedantu for the next academic session, right? Very soon you will be getting the summer camp also, guys. Okay, so now let's move ahead and super duper excited, right? So let me show you that all the people, all the girls out there whom I was asking to write a yo, this was the reason right now. Okay? Yes, everybody. Are you aware of that you are getting a 10% extra scholarship on all the courses only for today now, right? It was today and yesterday. So on this Women's Day, the special day for all the girls, for the women in the world, Vedantu has come up with the super duper amazing offer. So girls, do not forget to share it with your girl gang also, and boys, do not share it with your classmates, with your sisters, with your siblings, everybody out there. And yes, boys, आपके लिए भी extra 20% discount तो चल ही रहा है बच्चों, by putting the code as PJAPRO. तो आज मैं आपको एक नई सी चीज़ दिखा दूँ. द लिंक विच इज़ गिवन टू यू, इफ़ यू गो ऑन टू दिस लिंक बच्चा, सपोज आप सब अभी है ग्रेड 7 में, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में आप कहाँ जाएंगे? ग्रेड 8 में, राइट? अब ग्रेड 8 में when you enroll yourself at Vedantu, right now we have started CBSE bridge courses for the next year. So when you go on to this target exam, that is your bridge course, where your favorite master teachers at Vedantu Young Wonders will be taking your bridge courses. Will be taking your bridge courses on Vedantu super duper amazing platform out there. Right? So here you can see bacha, there you will be getting live interactive online classes, doubt solving during the class itself. तो अगर आप लोग कूपन कोड लगाते हैं that is PJAPRO, right? PJAPRO, तो क्लिक कर दीजिए अप्लाई पे एंड यू गेट अ इंस्टेंट 20% डिस्काउंट. तो पूरा का पूरा ब्रिज कोर्स बाय योर फेवरेट मास्टर टीचर्स यू आर गेटिंग इन जस्ट ₹720. सो एनरोल योरसेल्फ एज सून एज पॉसिबल बच्चा. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत ही अमेजिंग सा ब्रिज कोर्स मिलेगा. दैट व्हाट ऑल हैव यू लर्नड इन ग्रेड 7. तो उसका क्विक रिकैप होगा सारे टीचर्स के साथ ऑन वेदांतु's lovely platform out there, right? And if you take the classic one where you will be getting the coupon code again, तो यहाँ पे आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा एंड आफ्टर डिस्काउंट यू गेट 1200 का कोर्स, right? So do not miss out this opportunity, guys. Yeah, last date is today, guys. All the girls, this is the code. This is the code which you are getting, right? This is the 20% discount which everyone is getting, but girls will be getting extra 10% discount, and it is only for today. So when you enroll, that time you will get to know about it. Okay, great, guys. So now let's move ahead and see that are you all really super duper excited to board the first flight at Vedantu? And let me tell you, जितने भी बच्चों ने प्री बुकिंग वाला कोर्स ऑलरेडी ले लिया है, फॉर यू ऑल द ब्रिज कोर्सेज आर फ्री, दे आर इंक्लूडेड इन इट. तो जितने बच्चे ऑलरेडी प्री बुकिंग कर चुके हैं अपनी अगले साल की विद वेदांतु, you are getting these bridge courses free. And if you haven't done right now, so guys, have a look at bridge course. These are amazing courses in just minimal price for all of you, right? So how many of you are super duper excited for it? Let me know, guys. You can share this link with all your friends and ask them to put the code as coupon code as PJAPRO. And if you have any other queries, you can connect to me on Instagram by Priya_Vedantu. I can help you out over there in the enrollment process. Or if you have any doubts that ma'am how the classes will work, what all will be included, I'll be there to help you out, right? So now before we move ahead, guys, this is the homework solution which I gave you for the previous class, जहाँ पे हमने आपसे पूछा था that length of two sides of a triangle is this and this, right? Length of two sides of a triangle is this and this. So what can be the third side? It may lie between which of them, right? Hi Gurleen, welcome to the first class. प्रदीप, इन द ब्रिज कोर्स यू विल बी हैविंग, बच्चा जो भी आपने 7th में पढ़ा है ना, आपको पता है उसके सारे बेसिक्स विल बी यूज्ड इन 8th ऑल्सो, राइट? फॉर दैट इट विल बी यूज्ड इन 8th ऑल्सो. सो दैट विल बी अ क्विक recap with all your subject teachers for CBSE. It will be for math, science, English and social. So your favorite master teachers are going to take it. Okay, so the link is given to you. Do not miss out this super duper amazing opportunity. और आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर था बच्चों पार्ट नंबर सी, दैट इज 3 and 16 centimeter. So the homework winners for my previous class are Rama Devi, Akshat, Lakshmi, Vijay and Pradeep. Well done, guys. Great job done. So all my new joinees out there, this is how we get the homework winners. तो आज भी आप लोगों को एक homework मिलेगा where you can put up your answer in the comment box of today's video, and I will be sharing the names of the first 5 winners who have answered as fast and that to the correct one. Great. Hi Purvi, hi Kavya, hi Vatsa, hi Arihant, hi Ojasvi. Welcome to all my dears to the super duper amazing class, and these are few of the fun facts which I would like to share with all of you guys. So know about Ukraine. There are amazing things about Ukraine which you all can know, right? These are kind of fun facts which you might not be knowing, right? So knowing about each and everything is really very important. So in our sessions, you will be getting some amazing facts also, some tips and tricks also at some point of time, and also you will be getting your some riddles and everything, puzzles, everything out there. Okay. So now moving ahead, guys, I hope all of you have noted down the fun facts, or anyways, you can watch it later also. So today, the two chapters which I'm going to take it up is rational number and practical geometry. I hope all of you are super duper excited to revise these two chapters with me. Right? Hi Parul, hi Rajveer. So we will be discussing the 2 marks and the 5 marks questions for it today. Okay. Hi Saloni, hi Unmesh. Okay. So here we move ahead, guys. Can we have all your friends in the class, guys, quickly? Yes. I can see so many students in the class, but अभी तक आपने attendance नहीं mark की. So quickly mark your attendance by giving a big fat thumbs up to the class, my dears. Yes. So let's start with our 2 marks questions for the day. And here we come up with the first 2 mark question, which says, if the product of two rational numbers is given, one of them is given, how will you find the other? Who is going to tell me? Let me see how many of you have started with the revisions. Yes. Chinmay, Avani, Priya, Shweta, quickly. Let me see how many of you have tried it out. Yes. So find the other number out there. How to find out? What is product first of all? Very good, Gitika. No, very good, Gitika, Manas. Amazing. यहाँ पे हम निकालेंगे बच्चों डिविजन से. And yes, let the number be x. And division में LCM is not required. So all those who are writing LCM, no बच्चा, LCM is not at all required in division of algebraic expressions. Okay. So product is when you are multiplying two numbers, right? So here one of the numbers is given. So let the other rational number be x. So x into the given rational number, bachcho, which is minus 4 by 15, is giving you the product as minus 9 by 16. This is already given to us. And now we know when the side changes, sign also gets reversed. When the side changes, sign gets reversed. और division हमेशा क्या बन जाता है? Multiplication, and the second rational number becomes what? Reciprocal. जैसे ही आपने डिविजन को कन्वर्ट किया मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, द सेकेंड रैशनल नंबर गेट्स रेसिप्रोकल. नाउ यू कैन सी माइनस माइनस गेट्स कैंसल्ड, राइट? Multiply the numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, and then as the numerator is coming greater than the denominator, so you can see that our required rational number is 2 raised 7 upon 64. They have converted it in mixed fraction. Hi Prabhat, hi Srinidhi, hi Vihani, hi Heer. Okay. Very good, guys. So these are the concepts we should recall. Let us see the next one. List 5 rational numbers between minus 4 and minus 3. इससे पहले कि we discuss this question, my dears, I would like to ask all of you that can you tell me in between two given rational numbers, how many rational numbers can be there? Sushma, Hitu, Sheila. Congratulations, Sheila, my dear. Hi Bahani. Okay Bahani, good. Infinite, very good Moksha Singh, very good. Right? So there are infinite, but यहाँ पे इन्होंने हमसे मांगे हैं सिर्फ 5 rational numbers. So let's take it out. And now yes, here we should have the denominator first of all. अब ये तो हमें given थे integers. So multiply it by such a rational number which is greater than what is being asked to you, right? So if they are asking you 5 rational numbers, then you can multiply it by 6 by 6. Then you can multiply it by 6 by 6, right? So if you are multiplying it by 6, you get minus 24 upon 6 and minus 18 by 6. So in between minus 24 and minus 18, how many rational numbers come? Exactly 5. Because आपने 6 से multiply किया तो आपको 5 ही rational numbers मिलेंगे. And yeah, this was your required answer. And let me tell you that this number is up to your choice. But if they are asking you 5, तो आपको हमेशा उसी number से multiply करना है बच्चों, which is more than 5. You can also multiply it by 10 to make your calculation easy. Okay, Nadia? Yes, Arsh, you can also multiply it with 10. Now 2 marks का question था, one part was already done. Now this is the second part and it is assigned only 1 mark. So reduce 36 upon 54 in the simplest form. So who will tell me the synonym for simplest form? जल्दी से बताओ बच्चों. नो चिन्मय नहीं होगा wrong, मैंने आपको बताया ना बच्चों. You can also multiply by 20, by 100, anything. Hi Nidhi, hi Srinidhi. Tell me, simplest form क्या होता है बच्चों? Yes, you can say standard form, lowest form, reduced form. Very good. These are the different names which you can see in the textbooks. These are the different names you can see in the textbooks, guys. Right? But in सब में करते क्या हम? First thing, your denominator should always be free of negative sign. Am I right? Do you remember the 2 important conditions जो हमने सीखी थी in standard form of rational numbers? The first is the denominator should always be positive. And second is the highest common factor should be 1. So note down the important things. Denominator should always be positive and HCF, highest common factor, should be 1 always. Okay? So moving ahead, 36 upon 54, दोनों ही positive numbers है. We can divide it by the highest common factor which is 18. तो 18 से divide करने पे very good, very good. People already ready with the answer. It is 2 by 3. श्रीकांता, we cannot multiply it with 5 because अगर आप 5 से multiply करते previous question में तो आपको सिर्फ 4 rational numbers मिलते. But they were asking you 5. Okay? So whatever numbers they ask, you have to take a number greater than it. Chalo, let's see the next one. Arrange the following numbers, rational numbers in descending order. Yes. Now what is descending order? Who will tell me what is descending order, guys? Let us see. Rajveer, Anmol, Akansha, Richa. Big to small, very good. The bigger numbers to smaller numbers. But have you all noticed that your denominators are not the same? So make the denominators same. Now how can we do that? How can we do that? By taking out the LCM. By taking out the LCM. Right? So take out the LCM first of all. It is coming as 336. Now you have to make all your numbers with the denominator 336. Now what we do in that case? We have to multiply our given rational numbers with such a number that will make your denominator 336, which is the LCM. And don't forget, by the same number you also have to multiply your numerator. Okay? Your numerator. So once you get that, arrange them in the decreasing order and then put it in the way how the question was given. How the question was given. You can't leave till this step. Then your half or 1 mark will be lost. Okay? Let us see the next one. Represent this number on a number line. So first of all, your minus should go on top. Okay? So minus 7 by 22, if you see, that is coming greater than 4, minus 4 and less than minus 3. How do we check that? How do we check that? So 22 upon minus 7, first of all, you can write it as minus 22 by 7. And if you reduce it to the mixed fraction, you are getting minus 3, 1 upon 4. Remember, I have told you this. So over here, if you see, my dears, the number which you get as a quotient, that number and its next consecutive number tells you that your given rational number will lie between these two numbers. So that is why it is minus 3 by 4, and then we mark accordingly. So you are getting the rational number over here. Over here. Right? Moving on to our next question. State whether the following triangle is possible to construct. How do we check? The two angles are given and the base is given, right? So you can check by the angle sum property. By angle sum property. What does that property say? Angle sum property of a triangle. Who will tell me the meaning of this property? We have done it. What is the meaning of this property? Let me see. Hi Rohini. Hi Ibrahim. Add the angles and the sum total should be 180 degree. Very good. So if there are three angles of a triangle, I am drawing it roughly, okay? And they are named as A, B and C. So A, B and C is equals to 180 degree. So out of this, two are already given. How will you check? Add the two. It is coming less than 180. Yes, this is possible because now my third angle, remaining angle would be 40 degree. Will be 40 degree. Okay. Coming to the next part for this question. Draw a triangle PQR in which QR is given, angle Q is given, angle R is given. So yes, angle Q and R are given. So if I take my base as the given side QR, then it is possible to take both the angles at the denominator, right? So draw QR as 3.5 centimeter using a ruler. Then at Q draw 40 degree. This you can only draw by protractor. It is not possible with a compass. And R you can draw with a compass also because that's the first basic standard angle. And wherever these two angles will meet each other, that is your point P. So this is how you will get your required triangle PQR. Getting it, everybody? Yeah? So all those who are asking, ma'am, will there be Menti today? If you would have joined the class on time, you would have seen the session plan, right? Yes, Menti will be there. But before that, let's start with our 5 marks questions now. How can the 5 mark question come? Up for 5 mark ko wo kya kar sakte hai bachcho? They can split up your questions. Like you can see for this first particular question, they are giving you the first part for 2.5 marks. So this is from the chapter rational numbers. Denominators are not the same. So first of all, simplify your question, right? Minus minus can get cancelled over here in the first one. For second one, the minus should go on top. So plus minus becomes minus. Here also plus minus becomes minus. So LCM कितना आया बच्चों? 210. How much is the LCM? 210. So now all the denominators you have to make 210. How? By multiplying it with such a number which will give you the denominator equal to your LCM. And once you get it, then you can arrange them, you can add them, and you are done with your answer. Because when the denominators are same, we can solve our numerators. Getting it, everybody? Yes? Anmol, Lakshmi, Ibrahim, Vivek. Let's move to the second part of this question. Evaluate this. So here they are asking you to use the properties. So if you solve this one, we will get minus 56 by 15 by 56. This is coming as 5 by 18. But as we know, division becomes multiplication. At that point of time, the second rational number क्या होता है बच्चों? प्रज्वल, Gitika, Pari. Second rational number becomes the reciprocal. becomes the reciprocal. And what is the meaning of this? This means absolute value. Means if the number inside this is negative and you want to open this bracket of absolute value, it asks you to take plus. It asks you to make it plus. So here you can see it was minus 5 by 10 after solving, but we have removed the absolute value का bracket. इसका मतलब होता है convert it in plus. Absolute value of any negative number is always a positive one. Okay? Now just solve and you will get your answer. Take out the LCM and then solve. So whenever the denominators are not the same in case of addition and subtraction of rational numbers, we need to take the LCM, but not in multiplication and division. Okay, my dears? So moving to the last question for the day, construct an equilateral triangle whose altitude is given. So now what to do? Draw any line L, take a point D on it. Don't forget steps of construction are very important to be written. Then construct a perpendicular to line L at D. Cut AD. Draw an angle of 30 degree. Right? And this is how you will get an equilateral triangle. So let's have a look at it. Why are we cutting the angle of 30 degree? Because एक equilateral triangle में बच्चों all the angles are 60. And altitude is that line which divides your angle and base into two equal parts. So 60 का हाफ कितना होता है? 30. 60 का हाफ कितना होता है? 30 बच्चों. Getting it? So how do we draw perpendicular? This I have taught you in the regular classes. So please go and watch the replay once. Okay. Hi Alpana. Gitika, I have showed you, bacha. Oh yeah, the second part of this question, angle P is given, angle Q is given, QR is given, but angle R to missing hai. So first of all, you should find out angle R. How? By 180 degree subtracted by 60 subtracted by 30, so that gives you 90 degree. How do we get 90 by compass? By bisecting 60 degree and 120 degree. Are you all getting it, guys? By bisecting 60 and 120 degree. So if the base which is given, you don't have all its angles, you can find it out by the angle sum property. Right? So we have find out 90 degree. Now just draw QR. Angle Q is 30. How you will get that? By bisecting 0 degree and 60 degree. And 90 I told you by 60 and 120. So wherever these two angles will meet each other, that point will be point P and it will be 60 degree. You can cross check, this was given in the question. You can cross check, this was given in the question. Okay. So moving ahead, guys. Okay. Now let me make my screen smaller. Okay, let me go off the screen and ask all of you, all those who have just joined, my dear. So over here now, just taking a small break before we join our mentee, guys. Do you know that the first flight for Vedantu is ready to take off in the form of bridge course, right? In the form of bridge course where we do a complete, quick revision for your grade 7 syllabus, which is going to be used in grade 8 as well. So your favorite teachers are going to take up this bridge course, and all those who are there, the girls, my dear, you are getting extra 10% discount only till today. Only till today. So for grades 3rd to 12th, all the girls at Vedantu will be getting the discount till tonight. So please do inform your girl gang, your sisters, your siblings, your school friends, all of them. And my dear boys, you can inform your sisters and everybody. You can give them this gift this Women's Day by telling the code and the Priya Ma'am's link out there. Right? And Priya Ma'am's link out there. So how to go about it? I have showed you the link in the description box in the pinned comment. So just go and put the code as PJAPRO and you will get an instant 20% discount तो आपको मिल ही रहा है and the girls will be getting extra 10% discount. Right? So the bridge courses are just for rupees 720 for ProLite after putting discount and this will be 1200 after putting discount. So do not miss out this super duper amazing opportunity. And once again I would like to repeat that all those who have already taken the pre-booking wala course for the next year, you will be getting the bridge courses free of cost, guys. Okay. So now moving ahead to our Menti quiz for the day. Right, to the Menti quiz for the day, guys. So let me show the coupon code to you. So here it is, guys. So go to www.menti.com and put the code for the day, that is 17208742. Let us see. Gitika, okay, let me show it to you, my dear. See, if you are asking how to find integers between rational numbers, suppose if these two rational numbers are given to you. Okay, Gitika. So first of all, make the LCM same, right? Make the denominator same. So you are getting over here 5, 10 and 3s are 12. So you are getting just one rational number between this, Gitika, right? But if they would have asked you to find more, so you are getting these two rational numbers now. So just multiply them by a greater number. Multiply them by a greater number. So 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. You can multiply them by 10 by 10, 5 by 5, whatever rational numbers they are asking you. And then you can see you will get more of it. Okay. So now moving ahead to our Menti for the day, guys. Still very few people have joined. Can we have all the friends in the class, guys? Let us see. Hi Shifa. Amazing, amazing. So many people have joined us in the class. So quickly mark your attendance and then come and join us on Menti. And don't forget the amazing super duper offer at Vedantu is going on. Vedantu ki pehli flight is ready to board for all of you for the first week of April ke jo batches start ho rahe. But before that, you have the bridge courses running for you all, guys. So there are 5 questions in the Menti today. You will be getting enough time to solve with ma'am. Anytime, Gitika. Hi Shivansh, hi Lakshmi, hi Anzari. With 3, shall we quickly? So by the time, all those who have any doubts in the enrollment process, guys, you can connect to me on Instagram by Priya_Vedantu and I can help you out over there, right? As well as on Telegram also. And you can also join our Telegram group channel for Vedantu Young Wonders, which is t.me/Vedantu Junior. Let us see. Izan, the link is given to you in the pinned comment, guys, in the description box also. You have to just go to on that link and there you will get your answer. Okay? Or you can connect to me, I can help you out. So with question number 1 on your screen, and here we go. All the best, guys. Read the question carefully. In triangle ABC, angle A or B है 50 degree. So you have to tell the name of pairs of sides which are equal. Mahalakshmi, exponents and powers already done by Priya Ma'am. Please, please, please watch the replay. Another 13 seconds more. What are the pairs of sides which are equal if angle A and angle B are 50 degree? I hope all of you remember the funda. When the angles are equal, the sides opposite to equal angles are also equal. So it is option A, guys. Oh my God. It's AC and BC. एंगल ए के ऑपोजिट कौन सी साइड है बच्चों? BC. एंगल बी के ऑपोजिट कौन सी है? AC. आर यू गेटिंग इट? युवाक्षी, अर्चना, oh you are Ananya, right? So let's see the first leaderboard for the day today, where we have Bhavya, Shivansh, Abhishek, Shubh, Jenny, Swarnim, Saksham, Shaurya, Ritika and Mahima. Well done. Oh, Ritika, congratulations. Thank you so much, Bhavya. And let us see the next one. Gitika, same way you will find out for integers also, bacha. Just put upon 1 and then multiply it by such a number which is more than the whole numbers asked to you. If they are asking you 10 rational numbers, then you should always multiply it with a number which is more than 10. Okay, Gitika? So next one. Question number 2 on your screen. All the best. Reduce minus 36 upon minus 216 in the lowest form. Reduce this number in the lowest form. You have 30 seconds. Last 10 seconds more. Moksha, in question number 1 बच्चा एंगल्स इक्वल थे, तो इक्वल साइड्स के ऑपोजिट जो एंगल्स होते हैं वो इक्वल होते हैं, एंड इक्वल एंगल्स के ऑपोजिट जो साइड्स होती है दे आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. ओके. ओ माई गॉड, माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द करेक्ट आंसर टू इट इज 1/6. ये क्या किया आपने? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माइनस माइनस गेट्स कैंसल्ड एंड रिड्यूसिंग इट टू द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म इट विल गिव यू just a second, guys. Yes, so here you will get 1/6. What you will get over here? 1/6. Right? Let us see the next question out there. The next leaderboard, first of all. Be careful. Shivan, Saksham, Ritika, Shaurya, Doraemon, Srinidhi, SK Gautam, Goal Motivation, Vishwat and Maths Mind. Well done. So this time after this question, Shivansh is the fastest by leading the leaderboard. And here we go to our question number 3. All the best, my dears. Let us see. Ready, everybody? So before I show you question number 3, I would request each and everybody, all those who are there in the class, to quickly mark your attendance by giving a big fat thumbs up to the class. Yes. So let's check it out. And here we go to question number 3. All the best, my dears. Refer to the image and find the sum. So it's -4 3/4 plus 2 7/12. So these are two mixed fractions given to you. You have to find out their sum, bacha. And for this you are still having 18 more seconds. Hi Kavya, hi Archana, hi Kanishk. Another 5 seconds more, guys. Let's do it faster. Yes. And the time's up. With the correct answer to it being option B, my dears. It is your -26/12. So first of all, you need to arrange it with what? Improper fraction. Then take the LCM because the denominators were not the same, and then find their sum. So after this question, we have the leaderboard like Shivan, Shritika, Shaurya, Srinidhi, Goal Motivation, Vishwat, Anmol, Abhishek, Jenny and Takshil. Well done. This time still again we have Shivansh. So let's see. Is there anybody who can beat Shivansh in the class today? And guys, let me tell you, if you give your 100%, right? तो हर क्वेश्चन के बाद you can see a complete leaderboard change. Don't think first 3 questions में हमारा नाम नहीं आया तो now we won't be able to do. Might be in the upcoming questions you are the fastest ones and you get more points, तो आपका नाम leaderboard पे आ सकता है, right? And here we come to our 4th question, that is the second last, almost the leaderboard changing question. Check whether you can construct this triangle such that EF is given, angle angle E is given and angle F is given. You just need to check. आपको construct करने को नहीं बोला है. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? Last 10 seconds more. Another 2, 1, and the time's up. With the correct answer to it being no. Very good, guys. Why? Because if you are adding the two given angles, there only we are getting a sum more than 180. So angle sum property ke according this is wrong. Right? Shivan, Srinidhi, Shaurya, Vishwat, Abhishek, Doraemon, Saksham, Gautam, Maths Mind, Ashini, well done. Right? So it is still Shivansh is there on top. Shivansh doing a great job, bacha. So here you can see if you solve, you are getting the sum more than 180 degree. So therefore it is not possible. Okay. Let us see the last question for the day, guys. All the best, everybody. Hi, Bharti. Hi, Nagendra. Question number 5. Ready? Charan, Ibrahim, Umesh, Kavya. With 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Let us see. Divide the sum of this and this by their difference. Divide the sum of this and this by their difference. So I am giving you 1 minute for this. Take your time. It's a bit tricky question. Nitya, Rishabh. Yes. They are asking you to find the sum also, difference also, and then do the division also. Read the question carefully. Still 35 seconds more. Guys, before you write down your answers in the chat box, सबसे पहले आप अपना आंसर मेंटी में मार्क कर दीजिए. So that you can see your name on the leaderboard. Right? Takshil, Kishan. Last 10 seconds. Charan, yes, I am going to explain you, bacha, but I can't tell you the answer. And the correct answer to it is option B. That is minus 9 by 205. How come? How come? First find out their sum, then find out their difference, and then divide them. So 3 questions were asked. Shivan, Srinidhi, Shaurya, Vishwat, Ashini, Gautam, goal motivation. Who am I? Vishal, and well done, guys. Still we have the leaderboard with Shivansh on top, followed by 3,967 points. Congratulations, Shivansh, my dear, and to everybody who have participated in the Menti today with us. Right? So moving ahead, guys, this is your homework question for the day. So all those who want to see their names in the homework winners list, quickly solve this question right after the session is over and put your answer in the comment box so that in the next class I can see your names in the homework winners list. Okay, bachcho? And don't forget, to all the students who are new to the session, let me tell you that you also get a shout out by Priya Ma'am for YT lovers list. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? You need to give your feedback in the comment box that how was the session today. Okay? Because unless and until you let us know, then how will we get to know? So Niharika, Lakshmi, Arpita, Akshat, Rudra, Shivani, Tanya, Nagendra, Om and Riya are my YT lovers shout out for the previous session, guys. Thank you so much for taking out your time and letting us know in the comment box that you have enjoyed and learnt everything. Right? So I can see Shruti saying, ma'am, you have helped a lot. Thank you so much, my dear. And then Nilesh, ma'am, video is nice and explanation was good. Thank you. Nishchal, I understood everything. Yes, great. So if you are really enjoying and joining the classes on time, you will understand each and everything. And then we have Amrita saying, keep sharing the sessions because these sessions are for the better revision for mathematics. Thank you so much. And this is the weekly schedule by Priya Ma'am for this particular week on Vedantu Young Wonders. So if you have missed out any session, if you're not aware when the next session is going to be there, then quickly make a note of it and also share it with your cousins, your friends, everybody. And don't forget to let them know that, sorry guys, yeah, your coupon code is going on with PJAPRO, where you get an instant discount of 20%, right? So thank you so much guys. Don't forget the bridge courses have started. So join it as soon as possible, and all the girl children, you are getting extra 10% discount. Right? Only for today. So thank you so much, my dear students. Till we meet next, take care of yourself, stay safe. This is your mathematics master teacher signing off for the day. Bye bye.